Is that funny, Ricky? Ricky! Are you trying to attack my headphones? She doesn't like these kind of things, guys. I'm kind of scared. Ah! Ricky! She's very hormonal. She's unpredictable. Don't bite me, Ricky. Ricky! Oh my goodness. What are we gonna do with you? Ricky! Hey, ow! Oh gosh. Oh, okay. It's okay. I'm okay. I'm okay. 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 Oh Lord. Okay. I'm scared. Ricky! Hey, that's my shirt. Can you do your evil laugh? She's a latch-on bird, guys. Oh, you see yourself in here? Ricky! I love you. Hey, that's my phone. That's like, oh, she literally just put a mark on my holder. What are we gonna do with you? You're always in trouble, aren't you? You're always in trouble. Ricky! Yeah, you're not even getting near my lips, girlfriend. No. All right, it's time to go to bed. It's not nighttime. Let's go. Don't take my ear off. Oh, there's her evil laugh. Oh my gosh! Okay, can we? Oh Lord, I don't even know. I don't trust you. You're unpredictable. Unpredictable. Nope. You're not getting by my lips. Oh, what the heck. I've been bit so many times. Yeah. Ricky! I love you. All right, guys, don't forget, this is what you're signing up for. Birds can be, especially different species and personalities, they can be unpredictable. Yeah, I could be rubbing your head right now and you literally just bite my lip. You have to understand parrots in the wild. You would have to understand their behavior to know how to deal with a pet parrot. My gosh, I love you. Yes, you're a sweet girl, aren't you? Yeah. Ricky. You look like an eagle.